In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how you can turn your side hustle into an official business. This can be great for you if you're an entrepreneur looking for a little extra protection, just in case you get sued, or if you want to potentially save thousands of dollars every single year in taxes. Whatever the reason, it's actually a very easy process, as you'll see today, and it'll only take you about 5 to 10 minutes to create a business online. This is because I'll be showing you how to use an online formation service, which is what we recommend, as this will save you a ton of time and allow you to focus on your business. And trust me guys, you don't want to be dealing with any of the paperwork, worrying about submitting the legal documents, and doing menial administrative tasks like this because they're just not worth your time. Now, if you've already made the decision that it's best for your business to be an LLC or an S Corp, then go ahead and skip to this time code down below where I'll show you how to do that for just $39. But if you don't know yet whether or not this is for you, keep watching because first we're going to talk about why you would want to turn your side hustle into a business entity. Okay, so first you need to understand that your business is most likely a sole proprietorship, which basically means there is one owner. So if you don't have any business partners and you haven't filed any papers with the state, then chances are you're a sole proprietorship. A sole proprietorship is great for beginner entrepreneurs who just want to get started. And although you get all of the power and all of the profits that come in, you're also fully responsible for all of the risks and the losses. Some of these risks, so for example, getting sued, can be reduced by forming an LLC. This is the most common transition for new entrepreneurs because it gives you access to limited liability protection as well as more options for taxes. Also, for LLCs, your business is legally separated from you, which means all the debt and the legal issues that you have within your business stay with your business. So for example, if you were a sole proprietorship and someone sued your business, then your personal assets like a house or a car could be liquidated in order to pay for the debts that you owe. But if you were an LLC, the damages owed would come from your LLC's assets. This protection is great, especially for service-based businesses that have a higher chance of being sued. So for example, a mobile detailing business can get sued for accidentally damaging a client's car, or maybe another business is suing you for making products that are too similar to theirs. All businesses have some potential of risk, so you just have to analyze what level of risk you're at, as well as what you're willing to pay for, just like car insurance. Now, as far as taxes, sole proprietorships don't really have much of a choice. Usually you'll have to fill out a Schedule C and pay self-employment taxes, which is 15.3%. Most LLCs are taxed the exact same way, but they have the added advantage of being able to choose to be taxed as a corporation. For example, an S Corp election is the most common amongst LLCs, and later on we'll quickly talk about how this can actually save you thousands of dollars every single year in taxes. So yeah, overall, if you're looking for limited liability protection or more tax options, then you should definitely consider turning your side hustle into an LLC. Now, to actually start an LLC, I'll be showing you exactly how to do that on Northwest Registered Agent, which again, we recommend using a platform like this because they make it super easy and it's also super affordable, only costing $39. Now, regardless, you will have to pay your state fees, which will vary from state to state, but for $39, Northwest Registered Agent's gonna give you a free registered agent for the first year. They're gonna file all of your business documents and they're gonna make sure that it's done right so that you don't have to worry about it at all. Okay, if you guys click on the link down below, you guys are gonna get taken to this page right here where all you have to do is just click on the Get Started button right here, and then it's gonna take you through a few pages where all you have to do is just fill in your information. So for this, we'll click on LLC. Then from here, you can select which state you'd like to form your business in. So for this example, I'll choose California. As you guys can see, the California 10-day processing is $90. You're gonna be paying this regardless whether or not you do it yourself or with Northwest Registered Agent. And then you can also choose to expedite your processing, but obviously this will cost more. So the 6-day processing will cost $165. From here, I'll go ahead and click on continue. And then now I can enter in the company details. So let's say, for example, I want to name it Startup-Wise Mobile Detailing LLC. And then for the business purpose, I just put mobile detailing. Then it's going to ask you which address you want to record with the state. So for this, I recommend just choosing the registered agent's address and then clicking continue. Then from here, you could choose the company management. So most of you guys are going to be member managed. And if you guys are wondering what that is, you guys can just click on the question mark right here. And it'll tell you right here that most small business LLCs are member managed. Then you could choose how many members will be in this company. So if it's just myself, then I'll just keep it at 1. Then I'll put in my name and the address. So again, just keep this as the registered agent's address. Then from here, you just have to enter in your email address and create a password to set up your account, and then go ahead and click continue. And then you just have to enter in your contact details. So your name, your address, zip code, and city. And then at the end, it's going to ask you if you want some optional items so they can get your tax ID for you. This is basically your EIN number, which you can use to set up a business bank account. You can see right here, they allow you to already elect as an S Corp with the IRS and a bunch of other optional items that you can choose. And then once you're done, you'll be sent to this page where you just have to enter in your payment information and then click done. And once you do that, Northwest Registered Agent's going to start forming your business for you. So yeah, as you guys can see, this whole process was super easy. And for $39, I would say that this is very, very worth it. So again, we'll leave a link down below for you guys to check this out. And yeah, that's pretty much how you can make your side hustle into an official business. And once you started your business, what you're gonna wanna do next is start a business bank account, as well as get started with business credit cards. You'll wanna keep your personal and your business assets separated. And if you guys are interested, we'll leave a link down below to our favorite business credit cards. And when it comes to electing as an S Corp to save money on taxes, most tax professionals will say that you need to be making $40,000 to $50,000 per year in net income in order to fully take advantage of an S Corp. If you guys are interested in learning more about that, we have other videos on this channel that dive deeper into when you should elect your LLC as an S Corp, as well as how you can do that easily online. Anyways, that's all for today's video. I hope you guys got some value out of it. And if you did, please be sure to like and subscribe for more videos just like this. Here on this channel, we make a lot of how-to guides and tutorials dedicated to helping out new entrepreneurs start their own business. Thank you guys so much for your time, and I'll see you in the next video.